Hi, I'm Jenna with New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from across the country. Today, we're in Charleston, South Carolina with Pulte Homes. We'll be looking at the Marshside Towns at Carolina Bay community and getting an inside look at the Byrnes floor plan. Take it away.
Good afternoon, Facebook Live. My name is Emily House. I work for Pulte Homes, and I'm the sales consultant for Marshside Towns at Carolina Bay here in Charleston, South Carolina. I hope everyone is enjoying this beautiful day. I'm here to talk to you about our newest luxury townhomes in the West Ashley area. We are located in one of West Ashley's biggest master plan communities. It's a very highly sought after location and everyone wants to be part of the community. One of the biggest things that bring people to Carolina Bay and now to the townhomes is having access to all the wonderful amenities. So you're going to have access to resort style living. So you're going to have 3 saltwater pools, a 3-acre center park with multiple activities such as Food Truck Friday, yoga, movie night on the lawn. We also have a large dog park, a kayak launch, and walking and jogging trails throughout the entire community. So as a homeowner here, you have access to everything inside Carolina Bay. With that said, I would love to show you our Byrnes floor plan. If you want to start the tour and follow me, I would love to show you. So this would be walking into your front door. We are going to have a little drop zone area here. Perfect when you first come in from work. You can put your shoes there, your coats, your mail down, whatever it may be. You have that little convenient location there. Next, I would love to show you the half bath or the powder room. So it makes it super convenient if you have guests over, just down here cooking. You don't have to run upstairs for the restroom. And then also in this large foyer, you're going to have a coat closet, which is also large enough to store some items as well. So right over here, we are going to have your 1-car garage. It's actually an oversized 1-car garage. So it's about 12 by 20, perfect room for 1 car. And then you could also put some storage in here as well. So then over here, we didn't want to waste any space under the stairs. So why not have a nook? So we did the dry bar, but we have a sister community that actually has a desk, floating shelves. You can make it a little office space if you wanted. Yeah, it's been pretty creative with that section. And then something that really stands out with our floor plan is the open concept. You have a spacious first floor with a heated kitchen. You're going to have gas stainless steel appliances with multiple optional features such as white cabinets. You could choose gray cabinets, quartz countertops, granite countertops. So you have a lot of selections that we have a state-of-the-art design center you could choose from. As you walk in further, you are going to see we have our great room area. This is the perfect space for entertaining, family fun, just hanging out, relaxing. And you have your dining spaces here as well. And then one of my most favorite parts, which is super nice to have in Charleston, and you're located right on the marsh. Who doesn't want a screened-in porch? One of the features would be a screened-in porch. And then right outside this, you actually have a patio area, good for barbecuing, have patio furniture out there as well. So most of my townhomes will feature a screened porch. I have two other buildings that have an option of sunroom, and so that is what the neighbor has next door. All right. So next, I'm going to take you upstairs. I'm going to check out the bedrooms, the master, the laundry. If you want to head on up. As you can see, we have an oak staircase. So you have an option of an oak staircase or a carpeted staircase. So that is one of the many design features you can choose from. When you first get upstairs, you're going to go straight into your owner's suite, which is very spacious. You can even fit a king-size bed and plenty of furniture. You even can have a sitting chair over there, TV, dresser. Another thing that people love about the owner's suite is that you have so much natural light, and you have 3 windows within this bedroom. Your next stop is going to be the walk-in closet. Definitely an oversized walk-in closet. It has been very popular. And then if you want to come into the master bathroom, it is going to showcase a 5-foot tiled walk-in shower, which would come standard in all of the townhomes. And you're gonna have ceramic tile, and then the best part, a double vanity. No fighting over the sink. Our next stop, we are going to head on to the secondary bedrooms. So the first one here, we actually made it as an office space, as you can see. But really great size, and it does have a closet as well. So you really could use it, you know, for a bedroom, an office, a craft room. I really heard it all. And again, all of the natural light, which is super important. And then next we will go into our 3rd bedroom, which essentially is going to mirror the same size as the bedroom we were just in. And as you can see, plenty of room for a bed, nightstand. We even have a dresser in here. And then a great size closet. You know, if your guests are here, your children, whoever would be using this, they're going to have plenty of room for their clothes, shoes, things like that. All right. Take a look. So these 2 bedrooms actually will share a bathroom. So this would be the bathroom that they would share. It's going to come with a tub shower combination. Again, you're going to have that ceramic tile and then a beautiful cultured marble countertop, which does come standard in all of our townhomes. Something that I love personally is having the laundry upstairs. It's such a convenient location. You know, all your laundry is produced in your bedrooms, so why not have it right around the corner? So the Byrnes floor plan, it actually, we offer a 3-story option and a 2-story option. So everything you've seen so far is essentially a 2-story floor plan. So if you didn't have the 3rd floor, this would actually be a little storage closet. And then in this hallway here, you would have a pull down attic So you do have some room up there in your attic space. But this model is actually featuring the 3-story floor plan. So I would love to show you one of my most favorite parts of the townhome. Everyone is very surprised when they walk around the corner, and such a large 4th bedroom with a full bath and also plenty of closet space. As you can see there. And then right over there, you're going to have your full bath that does have a shower and then a little sitting room here. And really, you could use this as a 4th bedroom. You could use this as a loft space, a playroom, workout equipment. So it's almost like a multi-purpose room. So that concludes our tour of the beautiful Byrnes floor plan. Again, we have a 2-story option, 3-story option. We are located in the best location in West Ashley. You are so close to downtown, beaches, the airport, shopping and dining. So it's definitely a wonderful location. If you would like more information, I would love to talk with you, invite you out for a tour. And so our link to us and our location is below. Thank you so much.
For more information on this new home, check out the link below and be sure to tune in for more new home designs.